Welcome back to AutoZaf channel. The Fiat Fullback Pickup 2025 is just a Mitsubishi L200 that has been rebranded. The 2025 Fiat Fullback truck is essentially a rebranded version of the Mitsubishi L200. This indicates that it utilizes the identical platform, engine, and several components as its Japanese equivalent. Notable characteristics and specifications: durable construction, engineered to excel in both on-road and off-road conditions. Highly potent motor, provides a harmonious blend of power and fuel economy. Ample interior space, provides comfort for both the driver and passengers. Cargo capacity, abundant room for transporting large amounts of goods. Safety features, includes state-of-the-art safety technology. Possible enhancements for the year 2025. Although there is less information available regarding the particular details of the 2025 model, we can make educated guesses about future enhancements by considering the current model and observing trends in the sector. Enhanced technology, more advanced infotainment systems and driving assistance features. Design refinements, slight modifications to the exterior and interior style. Efficiency improvements, enhanced fuel efficiency or the inclusion of hybrid alternatives. A word of warning: it is crucial to acknowledge that although there is information accessible regarding the Fiat Fullback, precise particulars for the 2025 model may be restricted presently. To obtain the most precise and current information, I suggest referring to official Fiat channels or reaching out to a nearby Fiat dealership closer to the release date.